by the bay.
Down by the bay.
Honey, stop singing.
What? Why? You sing all the time.
I've already told you, you can't sing or else you'll off someone.
Then why do you get to sing and I can't? That's not fair.
Sweetie, I've told you before, you have a very, very deadly curse. I know you would never mean to hurt anyone, but you can never sing again, okay?
Okay.
Oh, please.
It's been 2 months and I cannot.
What, you're gonna drive 300 miles to your mother's place?
Mommy, baby, please go back to your room. I promise everything's fine, okay?
Down by the bay, where the watermelon grows.
Sweetie, stop singing.
If you go home.